I'm Miguel Silveira. I'm a co-founder of MadeinSea. MadeinSea is a very young company. MadeinSea was founded earlier this year. We are based in Faro. And before I start, I would like to thank, currently we are participating in the Blue Bio Value Acceleration Program. So before I start, I would like to thank Oceano Azul Foundation and the Gulbenkian Foundation for this, and of course BioMarine for this opportunity. So, moving on to our concept, we are focused on producing Ulvan. Ulvan is a novel polysaccharide, and in our case we want to extract it from seaweeds that we will sustainably cultivate with fish, oysters, and sea cucumbers. So, and of course alongside an existing salt production. So we are taking a circular economy approach to our project in order to maximize efficiency, but also to reduce waste. We are aiming to be a source of sustainable and traceable high-quality Ulvan, co-produced with premium organic food. Hopefully we will be able to provide solutions to several global challenges, namely the sustainable use of the ocean, but also the supply for the growing need of non-synthetic materials. We'll also be contributing to food security and to improve nutrition. We're not producing just more food, we are producing high protein, low fat, omega-3 rich food, so that's important also for nutrition. And of course we'll be contributing to climate change mitigation by direct sequestration of the CO2. So why Ulvan? Ulvan has has a set of very interesting features. It's highly bioactive, it's biocompatible, it's biodegradable, it has many biological interesting characteristics for human health and well-being. It poses no concerns for transmission of prion and virus diseases, as it happens with some animal origin polysaccharides. It also doesn't pose religious or cultural constraints due to the same reason, to its origin. And there are Ulvan applications already supported by research. Ulvan can be used, for example, in regenerative medicine or as a drug delivery platform or in cosmetics and personal care products. And why now? We decided now was the perfect time. We are sure that our future calls for an immediate change, a change of paradigm, a change of the way we're doing things. When we have plastic patches that are 3 times the size of France, when we have more than 80% of our fish stocks overexploited, we really have to think about what we have been doing until now and how we have been doing things. So we think now is the time to change. We don't have 50 years to think about changing. We have to change now, and we're pretty optimistic about it because now is in fact a good time. Now we have technology. Now we have brilliant people in our universities that are willing to cooperate, that are willing to be part of this common solution. And even the market, consumers are more educated, they are more informed, and they are more aware of many of these issues. So the market is more receptive than ever to this kind of products. Moving on to our management team. We come from different backgrounds, from marine biology to corporate finance and marketing, but we all have experience in management, in leadership, and we have worked together for many years in other projects. And our science team, we have Anabella Alves. Anabella holds a PhD in biomedical engineering. She has more than 10 years of biomedical research and development, and she has been working specifically with green algae polysaccharide valorization and its applications in the biomedical field. Representing our scientific partner, IPMA, the Portuguese Institute for the Research of the Sea, we have Pedro Pozão Ferreira. Pedro holds a PhD in aquaculture, is also the head of the IPMA's National Research Committee. He's a professor at the University of Porto and Algarve, and he's also the head of the pilot station in Olhão, also in the Algarve, and they have been developing over the last 8 years an IMTA system, an aquaculture system perfectly adapted to the environment that we have in our operation site near Castro Maria. So I think this will describe our company. Thank you very much for your attention.